Catherine Bernardo update and Ivy Day ni Catherine. At may dala pa nga siyang travel tote bag na Hope Ivy. Ito yung
Hey
video.
guys, it's Kath. I have something really special to share with you. The Ivy Clinic teamed up with Hope Foundation to create this limited edition travel tote.
Yeah.
And the best part, every purchase helps build classrooms for Filipino children. Super chic, super roomy, and I swear it fits everything. Be part of something truly meaningful. Grab yours now, here at the Ivy Clinic.
Yun. Ivy. Tapos ito pa yung endorsement ni Catherine na Q Foods Pinoy Favorites. Saka sabi dito sa post, Catherine Bernardo plays important role in ABS-CBN. Love, Joy, Hope, Christmas ID. At saka ito, may maswerte pang nakapag-feature kay Catherine. At sabi, I just felt the need to share these photos on feed because Catherine Bernardo absolute stunning. I just love her, such beauty and grace, you know. So ito pa yung mga picture ni Catherine sa Empolo, Manila, and ng business ng family Bernardo. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.